Working with GIS data and have a DMF map file from Geosystem Digitals software. This is a digital mapping file with geographic information. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Geosystem Digitals map files. Quick sidebar, for future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering DMF files with corrupted internal metadata. DMF files are digital map files created by Geosystem Digitals or similar GIS Geographic Information System applications. They contain spatial data, including geographic features, coordinates, layers, attributes, and cartographic elements used to represent maps for surveying urban planning, environmental analysis, and other geographic data applications. DMF map files use a GIS-specific format, storing geographic features as vector data, with coordinate systems, projection information, attribute tables, and layer definitions. The format may include topology relationships, symbolization rules, and metadata about data sources following the originating GIS applications, spatial data architecture, and standards. To gain full access to DMF, the application needed is Geosystem Digitals from Geosystem. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows offers only text-level or metadata previews, not map visualization. The solution starts by inspecting the application list, right-click the DMF file, and choose Open With. Use Geosystem Digitals as your primary choice. If it fails, select another program. Be systematic in your testing. When a DMF file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Your system failed to open the DMF file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, opening in GIS software. Install QGIS, a free open-source GIS application that supports many geographic data formats. Launch QGIS and use layer, then add layer to load the DMF file. If QGIS does not directly support DMF, use the proprietary Geosystem Digitals software or commercial GIS tools like ArcGIS that may have DMF import capabilities. Next, converting to standard formats. Use the source GIS software to export DMF data to widely supported formats like shapefile, GeoJSON, KML, or GeoPackage. These standard formats import into virtually all GIS applications, including QGIS, ArcGIS, and online mapping tools. This conversion enables broader access to spatial data beyond proprietary DMF format. Finally, viewing coordinates manually. Open the DMF file in a text editor or hex editor to check for readable coordinate data. Some GIS formats include readable text portions revealing coordinates, feature names, and basic geographic information. Manual inspection can recover key spatial data even without specialized GIS software for emergency data extraction needs. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.